And that was my failed attempt at a B-roll. So now let's continue with the unboxing. I'll speed up the video a bit. Usually the HMT watches come in a red box, but this watch was a bit special, so they sent it in a blue box. And here's some billing details. It's the watch. It looks pretty nice. It's a bit heavy. And here's the manual. And this is my HMT Akash. This one is a mechanical watch, unlike the Kanchan over here. The HMT Kanchan is an automatic watch. The watch can either be wound from the crown or it winds itself from the regular movement of your arm. Thank you for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe.